Bo buys a 3-pound bag of trail mix for a hike. He wants to make 1-ounce bags for his friends, with whom he is hiking. How many 1-ounce bags can he make? First, we need to change the 3 pounds into ounces. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. The pounds will divide out, and 3 times 16 is 48 ounces. Now, how many 1-ounce bags can he make if he has 48 ounces? "13 says Claudia's skis are 150 centimeters long. How many meters is this?" So we need meters on the top, and that is 100 centimeters. The centimeters will divide out. We can also take out a factor of 10, which gives us 15 over 10, because 10 goes into 150 15 times, and 10 goes into 100 10 times. This is 1 5/10, or that can be reduced to 1.5 meters.